On the outskirts of a quiet little town stands a small restaurant with a sign that reads Homely Corner. It's open every day, from 9 in the morning until 11 at night. Inside, it's warm, filled with the aroma of spices and roasted meat. People come in for lunch, dinner, and takeout. Everyone says it tastes just like home, but no one knows where the meat comes from. The restaurant has no known suppliers, no visible deliveries. Local farmers say they've never done business with them. Sometimes, people disappear in the town. Adults, men, women, they just vanish after work, after a walk. The last time, it was a supermarket security guard. He went home and never arrived. The next day, a new dish appeared at Homely Corner, special stewed meat. Guests ate it and praised it. Some even said, "You can't find meat like this in any store." No one has ever seen the cooks. Only the sounds are heard from the kitchen: chopping, slicing, frying, melodic, steady. As if it's not just cooking, it's a ritual. And the restaurant keeps running, every day, always with fresh ingredients,